So I'm gonna try to make microwave macaroni and cheese without a microwave. Boiling the water. So now, oops, gotta get where I can actually see the fill line. I know about where it is, huh? That is just about it. Okay. Okay, so now, let's stir this up real good. Oh, don't spill it. It doesn't like to stir this. Kind that they put in these cups. It's like a different kind of noodle. So I'm stirring it as good as I can here. With one hand on the camera, one hand not steadying the bowl. I'm gonna let that sit for 3.5 to 4 minutes. So probably 3 minutes and 45 seconds, maybe 4 minutes. The noodles are al dente. They're a little bit still too tough for me. But I'm gonna mix in the cheese and some pulled pork. And I'll get back to you. I'm gonna use both hands for that so I don't spill it all over the ground. Okay, it doesn't look great. But like I said, those noodles were a tiny bit, still a tiny bit hard. They're a little softer now, but they're still in shape, so they're not falling apart. And I'm gonna let it sit just open for maybe another minute or two and see if their noodles are right. All right. I know the color looks funny, but this is pretty good if it comes out right. That's just right. Okay, so the noodles are just about right that way.